Adventure? Well, let's play Sonic Adventure. Now get up off your lame asses and let's get to it.
Alright, so one thing I want to get into before we even go too far into this is, I think this is an original idea. I don't think that, as far as I tried to type it up on YouTube, see if anybody's done it. I didn't see anything. Another thing I want to mention is I'm going to be taking advantage of the character spot mod, which is a mod that I covered in a previous video. I'll leave the link to that in the description as well, and at the end card if anybody wants to check it out. Alright, boss fight against Chaos. Oh, I already hit him once. You can't even really see Chaos. Hit him twice. Ow, you little rat. Gotcha.
Froggy, are you okay?
First stage, Emerald Coast. Yeah, rescue Taylor. Right off the bat. Speed's gonna be a problem. Some of these obstacles.
Whoa! Whoa!
So you can't make that jump as big. It was a speed thing. There we go. He made the loop-de-loop. Kind of. He kind of made the loop-de-loop.
Whoa!
Alright, what's your best way across this now?
Whoa!
Oh. So basically, since there's a speed trap there for Sonic, as soon as you move, when you come to that standstill, you're going right into it. So you got to figure out a way to make that jump without moving. Yes! Alright, let's get a 1-up. Dangerous, there's monkeys. What? If you want me to be technical, the short answer for this is no. There's just multiple jumps that Big cannot complete. But I did come across this mod called Physics Swap. And we're going to be rolling on with the video anyways with that, because shut up. Also, technically, I swapped Big's physics to Hero's Big, so technically I'm still using Big. Let's try this again. There it is. Holy crap, he just barely made that. Alright, you gotta run, dude. No, we got stuck. Go. Ah. Big Al, we're in the whale. No! Alternative route, let's go. I'm coming, Tails.
Froggy!
That's not Froggy, but okay.
Hey, Sonic! Long time no see, huh?
I'm just glad you're okay.
What do you want?
I want all of the Chaos Emeralds!
Big just tagging along.
Interfere! Ah! Systems full power! Ah! He's not gonna get away with this! All systems full power! Ah! Eh?
Windy Valley. Can't do that. No homing attack. Please be able to run along these. Yes. Whoa. Whoa.
Whoa!
He just kept running.
I just felt like running.
Oh my gosh. Oh, I missed it. Getting sucked up in the tornado. Run, Big. Oh, no. No. Alright, guys. I have tried and tried and tried. I've used mods. I've done stuff that doesn't even really make it authentic challenge anymore. So I'm going to go ahead and say no. Big is not able to complete Sonic's levels by any means. He gets stomped up in the first level. He gets stomped up with multiple things, including bridge gaps, springs, dash panels. But with all that being said, at least this was somewhat educational, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.